Richmond has an amazing aviation program. The location is perfect, right near the airport. I want to work with students that may not necessarily have an opportunity to fly and introduce that to them because I think it's important. They're learning how to do what they need to do. They think this is what you need to do to drive the airplane on the ground, and it's not. You drive the plane with your feet, and then when you think you're supposed to turn this way, you're actually supposed to press it another way. So it takes them a while to get spun up on it. What you will eventually see just after a few weeks is students that are flying a pattern and flying it perfectly. We're hoping to bring on not only the manned portion, but also the unmanned program. And what I found is that we have some students that are interested in flying, but there are some students that are interested in maintenance. There are other students that are interested in racing. I mean, their interests vary, and they don't really know until they start getting into the program to figure out, okay, what is it that I actually like? This is exactly what they're going to be doing after graduation. So what we're learning here, even the fixed wing stuff that we're learning will help them in a drone world or a VTOL world. The vehicle's already created. It's happening quickly. The issue is trying to integrate that into our airspace. Once they figure that portion out, it's on. There's going to be packages being delivered. You're going to see them racing across the sky, and these are going to be the people that are doing that.